SITA's Operations at Airport solutions empower you to set new standards in performance, predictability, and passenger service. By sharing information throughout the airport ecosystem, all stakeholders are empowered to maximize capacity, save money, and avoid wasteful activity and pollution every step of the way. This is how it works. Jonah, the passenger, arrives at his bus station to head to the airport. Thanks to the SITA transit information displays outside the station, he can relax, knowing his bus is on time. After he gets off the bus at the SkyTrain terminal, a SITA transit information video wall guides him to his platform. At the airport, Jonah follows the dynamic signage to international departures. For easy reference, the giant video wall in the check-in hall is color coordinated with the displays he saw on the train and bus. In the airport's operations center, Jane, the operative, logs a flight plan for Flight 123. SITA Airport Management automatically receives it and compares it to the scheduled off-block time in the approved season schedule. There's a difference of more than 20 minutes, so the SITA Airport Management Action Board flags it to her colleague Peter in the Airport Operation Control. He determines the runway can handle the delay after checking the demand and capacity of the airport resources. At the self-bag drop, Jonah scans his QR code on the SITA information display system. He sees an advertisement from an airport vendor, so he heads there to spend time before boarding his flight. Back at Airport Operation Control, Peter monitors Flight 123's activities using SITA Airport Management's Turnaround Manager. Peter, the operator, can see in real time if refuel and catering will finish on time, because the ground staff use mobile devices to update their progress on tasks allocated by SITA Airport Management's rostering feature. Any delays and their knock-on effects are visible on his real-time Gantt display. Using his tablet, Peter checks the FIDS displays throughout the terminal and sees Flight 123 is boarding. He can access the cloud-based SITA information display system on any device from anywhere in the airport. While shopping, Jonah hears SITA Airport Voice System's announcement that his flight has begun boarding. At the same time, the SITA Collaborative Decision-Making Departure Sequencer allocates his flight an exact time slot on the runway. The departure sequencer calculates each aircraft's taxi time for takeoff. To ensure no traffic jams, it schedules the order each aircraft must push back, start their engines, and taxi out to the runway. This ensures optimal departure, on-time performance, and minimum engine runtime to save fuel and reduce emissions. Airport Collaborative Decision-Making, or ACDM, has saved the airline 7% on fuel costs in the last 12 months. And to save even more fuel, the airline uses SITA OptiFlight during the plane's climb, cruise, and descent. After the last bags are loaded and the cargo doors close, it's snowing heavily. The aircraft needs to be de-iced en route to the runway. The pilot requests this via SITA Mission Control, a Microsoft Teams-based collaboration platform for airline and airport stakeholders. The SITA De-ice Manager schedules the de-icing and calculates it should take under 13 minutes. The departure sequencer is notified of the request. For maximum runway utilization, it resequences Flight 123 to allow aircraft that do not require de-icing to depart sooner. Flight 123 is de-iced and leaves the central de-icing facility. Minimum de-icing fluid was used. Plus, the chances of getting stuck in a traffic jam and having to repeat de-icing are very low thanks to ACDM. Jasmine, the pilot, gets the go-ahead and takes off safely. With SITA's Operations at Airport solutions, costs and pollution are minimized. Processes like parking, towing, cleaning, fueling, baggage loading, pushback, taxiing, de-icing, and takeoff are coordinated and optimized, while passengers are kept informed and are happy to depart on time. Learn more about how SITA's Operations at Airport's portfolio of products can help your company.